and now we're welcoming on stage UTI-Link.
Hello. So AI transforms every business nowadays. But the problem is that SMEs are locked out because AI infrastructure and development is costly, complex, and it requires specialized skill set. So soon, only large-scale enterprises and specialists will be able to afford custom AI solutions. So we've run a market research study, and these are the top 3 complaints that we got from everyone: complexity, time, and cost. So even if an SME finds the funding, the money, to acquire some GPU or computing resources, they would still require an AI engineer, a DevOps, a programmer to actually implement something, which incurs additional costs, obviously. And on top of that, on average, it takes about 3 to 6 months to develop AI model. I'm sorry. So for instance, Hugging Face is a giant player in the field. It's a marketplace for machine learning models. There are thousands, even millions of them. But even I sometimes, as a PhD, and I have 10 years of experience in the field, find it quite difficult to navigate. And here we come with UTI-Link. UTI-Link is a no-code platform that allows users to easily navigate, browse for base models, select from them, and then manage their data, personalize those models, and then deploy them for minutes, not months. Our grand vision, though, is to become a decentralized infrastructure provider where we would allow users to connect and lend their GPUs and get incentivized. What we achieved for the past year with limited time and limited resources is quite exciting for me. So we've applied for Microsoft for Startups, NVIDIA Inception programs. We got granted 25,000 in credits, which allowed us to launch our MVP and organically grow the social media reach, and ended up with 30 early signups with about 30% conversion rate. And currently, we're onboarding 5 SMEs. We're onboarding 5 SMEs from different verticals: agriculture, academia, etc. So we are starting from Bulgaria, and we are pretty sure that we'll quickly expand to the EU in the next year. The potential is huge. There is a 50 billion market opportunity of SMEs that will require, in Europe alone, that will require AI soon. And we are aiming to get a hold of at least 10,000 of those, which will generate 50 million revenue. Our go-to-market strategy is quite straightforward. So we focus on a vertical, we get an SME, we guide them through their journey to develop their use case, and for instance, predicting crop area for the next couple of years. That's an example of ours. And then this gets added to our sales playbook, which we then use to penetrate and integrate within that vertical, which makes us credible. Depending on the type of usage, actually, we have a couple of types of revenue. Pay-as-you-go for the AI training and inference, and transaction fees for the marketplace, and subscription plans. So we seek fun. We need to be quick. We need more velocity, and that's what we seek money for. We need to be faster in our product development. We need to scale operations. We need to better position ourselves on the market. We're 6 people. We've known each other for 15 years now, and we have diverse skill set, non-technical and technical, and we believe we're the correct team to build this. And just before I finish, I just want to say something. I don't believe AI should be a luxury for the few. I think everyone should be able to access AI, and that's what we're making with UTI-Link now, with real customers and a clear path to scale. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Let's move to the questions, please.
What is your exact advantage, and how do you explain to a customer that your solution is better than ChatGPT or Gemini?
Because it's easy for the customer to build it themselves. We aim it at non-technical people. We aim it at people that do not know that they need the problem, and we integrate within that vertical with a proper example, use case, and yes, this is it. We have some competitors. None of them is actually making it easy to use. I mean, AI models, to understand them and to use them. And this, I believe, is our advantage.
Thank you. Can you illustrate the deliverable of your product with an example for a particular vertical? What use case was there, why they didn't match, and how your platform helped?
Yes, so the prediction of crop, of area crop, so of crop area, and it's an agricultural SME that we work with, and they wanted to know, so basically the company is selling seeds and products for pesticides and stuff like that, and they wanted to know how many seeds from a particular crop they wanted to buy for the next year, and using past tendencies in the market, sales of the global data, basically, climatic predictions for the next year, we were able to predict for them. Yeah.
One question from me as well. What is the involvement of the team right now? Are you working part-time? If you get the funding, are you going to go all in full-time?
Yeah, so this is basically our biggest blocker. We are working part-time, and 6 of us are pretty much ready instantly to start working full-time if we get funding for this project, because we really believe in it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.